Today is the 6th day. Chinese cabbage and lettuce grow up a little higher than yesterday. Every day we keep watering them to give them enough moisture on the surface. And cherry radish also grow up 2 centimeters higher than yesterday. Today we got 2 new members in our home garden, a mint and a rosemary. Our rose grow very well. You can see they are very beautiful, but our pineapple still no rooting. Today we also found 1 dawf tomato as a sprout, but the chili still under sleep. However, our sweet potato grow very well. It seems beautiful than yesterday. For taru, you can see it seems to grow up 2 centimeters higher than yesterday.